Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday, tax day, April 15th, 2026. Dow futures up 85, NASDAQ futures up 21, S&P futures up 9, VIX down 4.52%, currently at 17.53. So big contraction in the VIX. Again, all-time highs for the S&P at 7,002. See where today opens up at. But we are approaching all-time highs. The Nasdaq still a little ways from their all-time highs. Bell's going to ring here in about 45 seconds. Something else I posted in the community was the pattern day trading rule is no more. So that's exciting. The SEC has officially eliminated the $25,000 minimum rule for day trading. So biggest change in retail trading in 24 years. So because that started in 2001. So we'll see how that affects trading. Definitely opens up the opportunity for a lot more people. The bell has rung. No 1 DTE today with the VIX being down. Expected move 28.7 for the S&P. MU pushing up, AMD. S&P at 69.82, 20 points off all-time highs. Looks like all-time highs are going to be right close to the upper expected move. Be getting a new bar here in about 30 seconds. Netflix coming down a bit. Netflix, Amazon in the red, Goog, TSM, AMD, ARM, MU, all in the red. Everything else is pretty much green. Looking at an early upside continuation here off this key level. Yesterday's open in Apple. Today is the 2 DTE. It looks like Apple left without me. So I'll just keep my eye on it, see if it comes back down a little bit. Looking for big volume bars as big as the first or bigger. Amazon coming down through lows. We've had a couple pretty nice green days, or up days this week. So looks like the market wants to continue to rally. Thought we might get a little red today, but nope. Yeah, I really wanted to get in Apple, but it just didn't pull back enough. But a really nice push up in Apple anyway. I am not seeing any big volume bars for this 5 minutes. Coinbase, nice reversal. VIX at 17.64. PLTR above yesterday's highs. Apple pulling back a bit. Still watching Apple here. I got an order on the 260 calls to get filled at 220. If it can come down and touch me. 260 calls. Got an order at 220. Filled at 220 in Apple. I want to see a bounce here. need a bounce here. I'm at the cut Apple this quick. I didn't expect it to pull back this much. Wow. What a reversal. Apple gone into the red. See if I have any mighty 90 longs with this move down. S&P down to lows of day. Wow, what a reversal. Microsoft not pulling back at all. S&P through lows of day. Dow has gone red. That's quite the bar there. Apple has blown through my exit point. But I was only I've only been in the trade for a couple minutes. Watching Apple close here, finger on the trigger. And closing Apple. Filled at $1.82 to close. So that was a disappointing trade. That was disappointing. I mean, I got in when it pulled back, but then it just never stopped pulling back. Guess I could have waited to the end of that bar. Tesla pushing up through pre-market highs. I like the 370 calls in Tesla as it pushed through pre-market highs here. Jump in here, filled at 465 in Tesla. On the 370 calls, as it pushed through pre-market highs. Close half at 510. Filled at 510. Nice push up. Close another at 555. Apple's still coming down. Wow. Tesla still pushing. Apple down the lows of day. AVGO pushing up. Right up at pre-market highs is AVGO. Coinbase, nice push up through pre-market highs. I like Coinbase higher too. You can see it's holding right above yesterday's highs, but not sure if I can get in or not. Tesla trying to extend for us. Yeah, there goes Coinbase. I knew it. Filled at 565 to close another Tesla. Close another at 610. Coinbase shot right back down. That bar in Tesla was real close to getting as big as a first. Technically a mighty 90 short, but Tesla strong today. I got an order at 610 to close some more Tesla. And nice push up in coin. Thought that might happen. Tesla's still trying to hit that next profit target. Again, I got an order at 610 to close close another Tesla. Filled at 610. Beautiful. Close another at 655. I only got 2 left, so don't want to see any pullbacks. PLTR sitting right at yesterday's highs. That's somewhat of an attractive entry. See if it comes down here, though. It's pushing down now, so see if it holds where it's at. Looking at PLTR here, I think give it another couple minutes here, but definitely want to see if it holds. I would trade the 139 calls in PLTR. See if I can get filled at 210. Looks like it might be leaving without me here. S&P pushing up, NASDAQ up to highs of day. Apple trying to bounce back. Got an order at 655 to close another Tesla. Try to jump in some PLTR here. Filled at 217. So filled at 217. I want it to stay above this consolidation right here. So if it goes below here, I would cut it. I would close half my PLTR at 240. PLTR coming down a bit. Looks like I could have gotten my original fill, but MU down, coming down through lows of day. MU down over 3%. S&P's been in about a 20-point range so far. Coinbase through highs of day. That's definitely one I was looking at. Meta through highs of day. Baidu up at highs of day. Now I need PLTR through highs of day. Apple trying to bounce back after flushing me out. Tesla up at highs of day. PLTR coming down. That is not what I wanted. Come on, PLTR. See, I thought I was going to miss it, so I chased it, where I could have gotten a much better fill, gotten in right about where it's at now. Filled at 660 to close another Tesla. I only got one Tesla left. Closed my final Tesla at $7. And getting out of PLTR. Filled at $1.82. So that was disappointing. PLTR was very strong. Had a nice key level going. I think I'm just going to go ahead and close my final Tesla and just take that profit. Filled at 640. So nice winner in Tesla. Nice winner in Tesla. Apple coming all the way back after flushing me out. Disappointing in PLTR. That's really unfortunate. It's coming down to pre-market highs right now. I'm going to go ahead and re-enter in PLTR, I think, here at pre-market highs. Looking at the 138 calls. Filled at 214. Coinbase had a big volume bar. Close half my PLTR at 235. So got in right here at pre-market highs. Circle through lows of day, MU through lows of day. Coinbase pushing with another big volume bar. Again, I got an order at 235 in PLTR. Yeah, that would have been a nice trade in Coinbase. Could have gotten in right as it pushed above pre-market highs and yesterday's highs. Big push with volume, Coinbase. PLTR trying to hit my first profit target. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Build at 236 in PLTR. So good re-entry there. Close another PLTR at 255. Oh, Tesla's still going. I guess I could let that contract run. Jeez. Tesla having a day. Got an order at 255 to close another PLTR. Filled at 260 PLTR on this nice push up. Close another at 275. Look at Coinbase go. Go, go, go. Coinbase, Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, all strong. MU weak. PLTR, I do not want to see you pull back. You need to get going through highs of day. Dow down 165, NASDAQ up 74, S&P up 14. Wow, what a push in Tesla. Let's just see where those 370 calls would be. At 9:30, I got out of my last one at 6:40. Yeah, I could have let that baby run. But, yeah, you don't. Hindsight's 2020. You just never know. I wouldn't be surprised to see a new all-time high in the S&P today. It's kind of feeling that way. Apple all the way back to highs of day after flushing me out. Look at that. That's ridiculous. I mean, that's just an unfortunate trade. I mean, why did it have those two big red bars all the way down to lows? I have no idea. That was a minus 532 that it just immediately reversed. It's just unreal. Been a really nice green day without that trade. NASDAQ through highs of day. S&P getting up to highs of day. Come on, PLTR, get through yesterday's highs. You can do it. Tesla in beast mode. Microsoft, beast mode. Man, look at Apple push now. My goodness. Oh, well. Tesla up 3.5% now. PLTR having trouble getting going like some of the rest of these. S&P getting up to highs of day. Just doesn't look like PLTR wants it. I'm going to go ahead and close my PLTR and just take my profits. Got back a lot of my PLTR, filled at 239. PLTR, my first trade was minus 350. My second PLTR was plus 350, so a net of 0. So, all right, folks, I'm going to jump off, start monitoring TLC stuff. Hope everybody has a great trading day. Catch you later. Peace.